Hello, my name is Joy and I'll be introducing a fun activity inspired by contemporary art from the Singapore Art Museum, or SAM. Today we're going to create an artwork inspired by artist Chris Chong's artwork, 𝘌𝘮𝘮𝘮. But before we begin our art making, join me on an art hunt. We are going to be hunting for colors, lines and shapes. Let's look at this artwork by Chris Chong from the Singapore Art Museum's collection. What do you see? Do you see colors such as red, green, brown, and yellow? Yes, you're very observant. We can also see straight lines and curved lines. Some of the stems of the plants are straight and some are curved. What else do you see? These flowers are orchids. They are rare orchids found on Mount Kinabalu, Malaysia. Now let's move on to the art activity inspired by Chris Chong's artwork. We'll be creating our own hanging flower collage. You will need the following materials: a cardboard tray, craft glue, a pair of scissors, hole puncher, yarn or strings. I found the following items in my house: color pencil, ice cream sticks, buttons, jigsaw pieces, foil capsules, can taps, probiotic drink foil covers, straws, bottle caps, and bread tacks. These are some ways that you can reuse materials found at home to create flowers. Once you have decided on your favorite flower combinations, glue them down. Use a hole puncher to make 2 holes at the top of the cardboard tray. Do make sure that the holes are aligned. As you will be handling a sharp tool, find an adult to help you with this part of the activity. Thread the yarn or string through the 2 holes and tie a knot on each end. You now have your very own masterpiece inspired by the flowers found in Chris Chong's artwork. Now it's your turn to try this out. Rummage through your house to see what materials you can find to make flowers. But before you go, remember to like this video and subscribe to SAM. Goodbye!